In this video, we're going to talk about PolkaBridge and why this is an extremely high risk coin that may give us the opportunity to make some insane gains. Special shout out to Grimmer for this special request, the thought process of holding this coin for about 3 to 5 months, and a special shout out to everybody in Germany. Before we get started on the chart, I like looking at the fundamental analysis and also the tokenomics. So first thing we do is come over here to CoinMarketCap, type in PRB. Currently I have the chart set for all, just so we can see the price action. Now most coins in 2024 have at least had 2 pumps, and this one has yet to have one. Current market cap is 3.1 million with very low trading volume. The past 24 hours, only $610,000 in trading volume. The next thing I like to look at is the tags. What categories is this coin in? So this coin is DeFi, that stands out, DEX, and LAUNCHPAD. This is why I'm very bullish on PolkaBridge. And we'll go into more of this later in the video. The next major part I like looking at is the markets. Where can we buy this? Is it only on Uniswap and maybe Gate.io? Or do they have larger exchanges that we can be trading this on? Here we have 2 really nice exchanges, KuCoin and also MEXC. Now let's head over to CryptoRank.io. After putting PRB in the search section here, this comes up. And what I like looking at is the vesting period. Are there any coins going to be unlocked? Now this coin has been out for a while, so there's no other unlocks. We come down here and we can see that the circulating supply is 96%. This is important to know because if it was only 30%, there's a very high likelihood that once the tokens get released, in this case it does not apply, but if tokens were to be released, there's a high probability of further dumpage or the price going lower. Here we can see the listing date was January of 2021, and most coins at the moment are down from the all-time high, roughly between 70 and 85%, due to the recent pumps in 2024. I also like going on Twitter to see how many followers they have. They've been around since 2021, and they have only 168,000. This is very low. Next thing I look is for their last post. This is just a pinned post. You can see it right here. So their last post was about 2 days ago, which is not bad, with very little engagement. Next one was a few days before that. And here they have an announcement, LAUNCHPAD resuming soon. Now the reason I'm very bullish on any kind of launchpads, just like the last bull run, a lot of people are going to be chasing LAUNCHPAD tokens. So the way this works, you have to buy the tokens for the launchpad, and depending on the amount of tokens you have depends on the allocation you're going to get. And allocation, all that means is the amount of tokens that you're going to get. So if you hold a certain amount of tokens, these brand new tokens that are going to come out before getting listed on exchanges, you're going to get those tokens first. So when they do go on exchanges, well then now you're going to be up 2x, 5x, 10x, maybe even more. So in my opinion, this bull run, just like last bull run, LAUNCHPAD tokens will do very, very well. And now onto the chart. So just as a recap, we do have the market cap at 3.1 million, and it's currently down around 99% from its all-time high 3 years ago. This is DeFi, DEX, LAUNCHPAD, and AI token. Here we're going to have both thought process. One thought process that we're going to do is a 3 to 5 month hold, and then a trade probably about a week or 2 hold. Due to the market cap being so low, I strongly recommend you have multiple entries. That way you don't move the coin. For example, let's say you wanted to put $1,000 into this coin or 5,000. You don't want to put that all at once. And I have a video, it's called Crucial Factors Traders Overlook. It's 3 key factors: volume, liquidity, order books. It's under 12 minutes long. And if you don't understand how you can actually move the chart, this video is definitely for you. And of course, none of this is financial advice. So right now we are trading in between this range. I'd recommend setting an alert at 0.05097. Once your alert goes off, the candle on the 4-hour time frame, right now we're showing the daily chart, but it must close on the 4-hour time frame. The candle must close above 0.04806. If the 4-hour candle does not close above this level, it is not recommended to trade because the price action could continue coming down here and again stay in this range. Another pro tip, due to the very low market cap, it's highly recommended that you have more than 3 targets. And this all depends on how many coins you've purchased. So the information on the screen represents shorter time frame targets, hopefully about a week or two, if the market works with us and if PolkaBridge does some marketing. In yellow, we have the area it needs to break out from and remain above. The green represents our targets, our red, stop loss, and our orange is where we're going to set our alerts. Now, if the price action breaks below this level of 0.03822 and comes down, well, hopefully this alert will go off. Once this alert goes off, check on this coin roughly around 3 to 5 days later to see if it broke below this level. If it breaks below the all-time low, then we would just repeat this process by having our entry with the 4-hour candle closing above 0.02342 with a stop loss of around 15% or whatever you're comfortable with losing. Now, here's some larger targets due to the thought process of holding this coin for about 3 to 5 months. We have a target of about 160%, 222%, and 271%. And all of the targets are underneath either wicks or candle body closes, because every wick and candle body close, they represent areas of resistance. And if you like the content that I provide, make sure to join the memberships. We do have several different tiers, different benefits. Let me know in the comments if you hold any LAUNCHPAD tokens, and if so, which ones. And we'll see you on the daily live streams at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.